Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Roblox. You got the error code 280. Your version of Roblox may be out of date. Let's fix that issue guys. You just need to go to search menu and type Windows Update. Comes up Windows Update setting, click on open it. You just need to select check for updates over here. If you have any available update listed over here, you just need to update it guys. After updating it, on left side you just need to select time and language. On right side select date and time, and in here you just need to turn on this option guys, set the time zone automatically, so that if there is any issues with the time it will be resolved guys. And you just need to scroll down, select sync now option, so that your date and time will be up to date by today, which can help to resolve the error code 280 while launching the Roblox. If this solution failed to work, then let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to close stuff here and right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK to open up. In here you just need to search for Roblox folder. You just need to right click on the Roblox folder and select rename option, and in here you just need to type dot old old presenter Roblox dot old. After changing this name you just need to close stuff here, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, check if the problem solved or not. If this solution failed to work, then let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type disk cleanup, click on open it. You just need to select the drive where the game is installed. In my case I just installed C drive, select OK. And after selecting the drive you just need to select all of these check marks over here, and after check marking all of these select OK, and now select delete files. This will clear the cache and help you fix the issue guys. If this solution failed to work, then let's move on to the fourth solution guys. Now you just need to go ahead and check my video description and you will be get this link. You just need to select the free download option and download it guys. After downloading this application you just need to open it, revo setup. Just need to select yes and install it. After installing it, it will be open up like this. In here you just need to select the search option over here and type Roblox. Comes up Roblox player, you just need to right click on it and select uninstall it. Select continue, select OK, select scan. This will scan the remaining registries present in your system. Now you just need to select all option and select delete option and select yes. Now you just need to select all option over here and select delete again, select yes. Now we have completely uninstalled Roblox guys. Now you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for this Roblox latest download link. Click on download for Windows, and after getting downloads done you just need to install it. Once Roblox installed on your PC, don't forget to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, launch the game and this will completely fix the issue of your version of Roblox may be out of date with Roblox error code 280. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.